Yeah. Second mixtape, feeling great.
Hey guys, it's me, Natasha Lynn, and this is Chronicles of a Professional Stylist. So as you can see, I've already set my face with Dermacol, which is a full coverage studio grade foundation. So right now what I'm doing is contouring, concealing, and also highlighting.
When I get too low, I just wanna fly. Sometimes I get so low, I wanna cry.
So now I'm going to use my beauty blotter or my makeup sponge, and I'm just going to blend in the makeup to give it a more even appearance so there's no lines of demarcation or anything like that.
I want my career to have a long life. Pieces from the pie, looking nice, I might eat it thrice. Your partner keep blocking from the blind side. I feel like I got weights on my toes, 10 toes down. I know I'm ahead of the pros, I can't wait around. Everybody start to sound the same. Before you cross that street, you better look both ways. Yeah, the power in my hand is so divine. When I close my eyes, I get lost.
So now I'm using my Ben Nye setting powder. The shade is Banana. And what that is going to do is going to set the makeup in place. I love this stuff. So I just applied bronzer to the forehead and to the cheeks. And now I am going to highlight my arch. And I like to use 2 shades. Using 2 shades gives it a more natural look and also gives it a pop at the same time. So yeah, we want more eyebrow than a wow brow. A wow brow can be scary. So I call this stuff shimmery shine, and it just gives a natural almost like a golden glow. So now I'm applying the eyeliner and then next to my lashes. And I like to use mascara. You can skip this step if you want, and you can use lashes. Totally up to you. And now to eyeshadow. So for this look, I'm using a lighter color on the inner part of my eye and a darker color on the outside. When using a darker color on the outside, I always say less is more. Start with a little bit and then gradually build up. So one last touch with some finishing powder and onto my lips. I like to use 2 colors at all times. It just gives it a unique look. And I'm finished. So here it is. This is your more full coverage, more bolder look. If you want to refer to the last video, part 1, that would be your more basic coverage, a sheer natural look. Either way, they both look great. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, watch, and share. Thank you.
Everybody start to sound the same. Before you cross that street, you